Welcome back to the channel Krisi Vichar. Today I am here with the basics of agriculture. Agriculture is the cultivation of animals, plants, fungi, and other forms for food and other products used to sustain life. Agricultural resources. Agricultural land denotes the land suitable for agricultural production, both crops and livestock. It is one of the main resources in agriculture. Labor, measure of work done by human beings. Agricultural machinery, machinery used in the operation of an agricultural area or farm. Fertilizers, any organic or inorganic material of natural or synthetic origin that is added to a soil to supply one or more plant nutrients essential to growth of plants. Water needed for irrigation and its further growth and development. Branches of agriculture. Agriculture has been divided into two branches, that is plant science and animal science. Coming to plant science, agronomy, horticulture, agricultural engineering, agricultural economics, plant pathology, entomology, agricultural chemistry, agricultural extension, genetics and plant breeding. Then animal science, ruminants, dairy science, poultry science, pisciculture, sericulture and apiculture. Agronomy, science and technology of producing and using plants for food, fuel and fiber and reclamation. Horticulture, art, science, technology and business of intensive plant cultivation for human use. Organic gardening, science and art of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants by following the essential principle of organic agriculture in soil building and conservation, pest management and heirloom variety preservation. Plant pathology, it is a science and study of disease and the causal agents that leads to crop damage and great loss in production. Entomology, the science of agriculture which deals with the study of insects. Genetics and plant breeding, the agricultural science which deals with the study of genetics and their breeds. It is art and practice of cultivating and raising new varieties. Animal husbandry, agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock. Aquaculture, farming of aquatic organisms such as fish, crustaceans, molluscs and plants that are in water. Sericulture, silk farming, the rearing of silkworms for production of raw silk. Apiculture, beekeeping. We know that apiculture deals with the preservation and keeping of bees and beehives. Apiary, place where beehives of honeybees are kept. Apiology, scientific study of honeybees. Fishery, fishing, activity of trying to catch fish. Fish are normally caught in the wild. Techniques for catching fish include hand gathering, spearing, netting, angling, and trapping. Fishery, facility engaged in raising or harvesting fish. Then forestry. Forestry, interdisciplinary profession embracing the science, art, and craft of creating, managing, using, and conserving forest and associated resources in sustainable manner to meet desired goals, needs, and values for human benefit. Agroforestry, integrated approach of using the interactive benefits from combining trees and shrubs with crops or livestock. Agricultural economics. Agricultural economics originally applied the principles of economics to the production of crop and livestock, a disciplinary known as agronomics. Agronomics was a branch of economics that specifically dealt with land usage. It focused on maximizing the crop yield while maintaining a good soil ecosystem. Agricultural extension, once known as the application of scientific research and new knowledge to agricultural practice through farmer education. The field of extension now encompasses a wider range of communication and learning activities organized for rural people and professionals from different disciplines, including agriculture, agricultural marketing, health, and business studies. Agricultural marketing covers the service involved in moving an agricultural product from the farm to the consumer. This may include transferring of agricultural products either directly or indirectly through middlemen to consumers. Agricultural soil science branch of soil science that deals with the study of edaphic conditions as they relate to the production of food and fiber. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. In the next video, I will be there with horticultural branch of agriculture.